I have my first Dior. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name's Jonathan. I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And today I am delighted to share with you my very first Dior purchase. So let's get into it. Before I get started with today's video, you guys know what to do. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help my channel grow. I make videos every Friday on luxury content, men's style, luxury unboxings, you name it, it's here on this channel. If you like that kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to see what I got from Christian Dior, then keep on watching. So this is my very first Dior purchase. It is going to be pre-loved, so I did purchase this from one of the Dior Facebook groups. So I am super excited about this piece. It was at a really, really great price point, so I couldn't really pass up the opportunity. To be fully transparent, I have no idea what I'm going to use this piece for, but I just had to pick it up. I just had to see what the whole fuss about Dior is. I don't own any Dior. As I mentioned, this is my very first piece. And so I'm trying to branch out. I'm trying to see, is there more than just Louis Vuitton out there that I will enjoy? So let's go ahead and open this guy up. So the person that I bought this from was so nice, and they included like everything. So it does come with the shopping bag. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with a box, but just taking it out of the bag, you see the Dior dust bag, and this is in really great condition. I was pretty floored that this person was selling it for such a cheap price point. This item retails on the Dior website for 1,300 Canadian dollars, and I got it for $450. So less than half price, and I was able to pick this up. But let's go ahead and open it up. And the item that I got was the striped pouch in leather. So as you can see, it is pretty much just going to be like, I think I'm gonna use it as a catch-all, maybe a clutch, who knows. But it says Christian Dior Paris on the front. And then nothing on the back. And then it has gold hardware. And the zipper pull itself has the CD on it, and there is nothing on this little loop here. And one thing that I was shocked about is the hardware actually still has the sticker on it. So it's like this person didn't even use it. But let's go ahead and open it up. And inside it is lined with suede. And then you do have the stamping here where it does say Christian Dior, made in Italy. And then it did come with the authenticity card as well. And then there's a little bit of stuffing inside. And then it does have the serial number, if I can find it. So it does have the serial number here, like so. I'm not 100% sure what the serial numbers mean, but this one reads 43-MA-0290. And that's pretty much it. So it is just a huge pouch. I am so surprised at how soft this leather is. Like, it is very, very, very soft. And honestly, like, it is in immaculate condition. Like, I can't see anything wrong with this pouch. It's honestly like this person didn't use it that much. Let me go ahead and give you a full spin. So this is the front of the pouch. This is the side. This is the back. The front again, and then this is the top portion. Honestly, this is such a great piece. I am over the moon. I just can't believe how soft this leather is. Like, it just feels really, really greatly made. And like, it's like, honestly, like the person that I purchased it from didn't even use it. Like, I am pretty, pretty happy that I got this for this deal because I don't think, um, I don't think it would have lasted long in the group if I didn't pick it up. I think this would have been sold fairly quickly. And I love the hardware on here. And I just think that the suede interior is really nice touch. So I don't know, who knows? Maybe your boy is gonna get converted to being a Dior person because this pouch is, honestly, I'm at a loss for words. This pouch is absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed today's video. It was just a super quick unboxing of my very first Dior piece. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.